Do you want to use the new Meta AI chatbot in your Instagram application, but the feature is missing for you? Well, in this video, we'll show you a couple of different steps on how you can get the Meta AI chatbot in your Instagram app. So make sure to follow my steps and watch the video until the very end, because I have a couple of different solutions for you. The first step is to open the App Store if you are on your iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you are an Android user, and just search for Instagram. Since Meta AI is a new feature that they rolled out recently, you have to make sure that you have the latest version of Instagram installed on your device. So if you see an update button right here, then click on that and wait a couple of minutes until the latest version of Instagram is installed on your device. But if your app is fully updated, then you want to exit this and then open the settings. Tap on the General section, and then iPhone storage. But if you use Android, find the Apps section in your settings. Then find the Instagram settings and clear the cache of the app. After you do that, uninstall the app from your phone and reinstall it one more time. But on iPhone, you want to find Instagram on this list and click on the Offload App option. This will clear the cache for the app, and it will remove all the bugs and glitches that your app may have, and those bugs may be the reason why the Meta AI chatbot is not showing for you. When the app offloads, then click on the Reinstall option. This is going to force update your Instagram application to the latest version. And don't worry, it won't log you out of your Instagram account, and it won't delete any data. You can open it and continue using it normally, and you should see Meta AI after this step. But if this also didn't work for you, then let's go over to the next solution. Open your Instagram application and then go over to your profile. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen in order to open the Instagram settings. Once you're here, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page until you see this Help button. Click on that button, then Report a problem. Report a problem without shaking. Then tap on this Don't Include and continue. That's going to open this text box where we can easily write what our problem is and contact the Instagram team directly. We want to explain to them that our Meta AI feature is missing from Instagram and kindly ask them to enable the feature for your account and resolve the problem as soon as possible. You can write something like, "I am writing right here," and then submit the report and just wait a day or two until they respond. They should respond to you and enable the Meta AI option. But even if this didn't work, then you should wait a couple more weeks until they roll out the feature for your country or region. They roll out some options and features, like the Meta AI, for some countries at first, and for some other countries at a later time. So if you don't have the feature on your account and it's missing, then you should wait a bit more and make sure you update your Instagram application regularly. Because it's a new feature, you need the latest version of the app installed on your device, so just update it and be patient. If you have any more solutions to this problem and you know how to get the feature, then leave a comment on this video so we can help more people. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.